Do you ever come across some ayahs or some hadiths or anything, any person saying to you a piece of advice and or saying taking it as a sign from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? For example, this video, you literally have to take that as a sign from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For example, मेरे साथ ऐसे हो चुका हुआ कि I was sad, I was down and whatever. I just open my Instagram and I see this ayat, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَى, which means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to give you so much very soon that you will be satisfied. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself is saying that to you. This is a sign from Allah ta'ala. Another example कि I was down by किसी ने मुझे कोई कुछ ऐसा कहा था कि जिसकी वजह से ना I was feeling down and low and क्यों कहा ऐसा this and that. Then I opened Instagram and whatever. So I just saw this post. Do not let their words sadden you. Also a verse from Quran, also a word from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala telling you do not be sad. You have to take these as a sign, or a person coming up to you and saying something, you seeing a video. Allah ta'ala is talking to you indirectly. It is not the eyes that are blind but the hearts. We need to stop looking and start seeing things. And don't ever give up on your du'as, halal du'as. Always keep having taqwa, tawakkul, sabr, and when you get it, you will get it. Ameen. Yes, say Alhamdulillah. Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala aapki aur meri sari halal du'aएं कबूल मंजूर फरमाए. Ameen. Allah Hafiz Nasir.